Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best motherboard that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Still struggling with a motherboard that bottlenecks your Ryzen build, weak connectivity, or outdated features like slow LAN and no modern Wi-Fi? If your PC feels almost powerful but not fully optimized, the motherboard might be the hidden problem holding everything back. Meet the ASUS ROG Strix B550F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 or Premium AM4 Gaming Motherboard built for 3rd Gen Ryzen performance with modern connectivity and stable power delivery. This board is packed with features that actually matter for gamers and creators. AMD B550 chipset with PCIe 4.0 support for faster GPUs and NVMe SSDs. Wi-Fi 6E plus 2.5 gigabits LAN for ultra-fast, low-latency internet performance. Strong VRM design for stable Ryzen 3000 to 5000 CPU performance. Dual M.2 slots with heatsinks for high-speed storage. Aura Sync RGB plus addressable Gen 2 headers for full RGB customization. BIOS flashback for easy updates without CPU installed. Supreme FX audio for clearer in-game sound experience. HDMI 2.1 support for modern display setups. Pros: excellent connectivity, Wi-Fi 6E plus 2.5 gigabits LAN. Strong build quality and stable performance. Great BIOS and easy updates. Good thermal design for VRMs and SSDs. Cons: still DDR4 only, no DDR5 upgrade path. Price slightly high for AM4 platform in 2026. Not ideal if you plan future AM5 upgrades. Perfect for Ryzen 5/Ryzen 7 3rd to 5th Gen users. Gamers building a high-performance AM4 PC. Streamers and creators needing stable networking. Users upgrading an existing AM4 setup instead of switching platforms. At around $139.99, this board delivers premium features in the AM4 space, especially if you want strong networking and stability without moving to a new platform. Number 4. Meet the GIGABYTE B550MK AMD AM4 Micro-ATX motherboard, a budget-friendly B550 motherboard built for Ryzen 3000, 4000, and 5000 series CPUs. Even at a low price, this board brings solid essentials. AMD B550 chipset with PCIe 4.0 support for faster SSD and GPU performance. Supports Ryzen 3000/4000/5000 series processors. Dual M.2 slots for NVMe storage expansion. 3+3 power phase design for stable basic CPU performance. Gigabit LAN for reliable wired internet. DDR4 support up to 3200 MHz and higher via OC. QFlash support for easy BIOS updates without CPU/GPU. Micro-ATX compact size, fits smaller PC cases. Pros: extremely affordable B550 option. PCIe 4.0 supported budget price. Dual M.2 slots included. Good for entry-level and mid-range builds. Cons: weak VRM, not ideal for heavy overclocking. Limited connectivity compared to higher-end boards. Basic audio and fewer premium features. Perfect for budget gaming PC builds. Entry-level Ryzen 5 systems. Students or first-time PC builders. Users who want PCIe 4.0 without spending much. Not ideal for high-end Ryzen 7 of 9 overclocking setups. At just $69.99, this is one of the cheapest ways to get a PCIe 4.0 Ryzen-ready motherboard. Great value if you're building on a tight budget. Number 3. Meet the GIGABYTE B550 Eagle Wi-Fi 6 AMD AM4 ATX motherboard, a feature-packed mid-range AM4 board with modern connectivity and strong Ryzen support. This motherboard is designed to balance performance and value. AMD B550 chipset with PCIe 4.0 support for GPU and NVMe SSD speed. Supports Ryzen 3000/4000/5000 series processors. Strong 10+3 power phase design for stable CPU performance. Dual M.2 slots for fast storage expansion. Built-in Wi-Fi 6 plus gigabit LAN for fast and stable networking. USB-C port for modern device compatibility. RGB fusion support for lighting customization. PCIe EasyLatch plus EasyLatch system for easier GPU and component installation. ATX form factor, more expansion space than micro ATX boards. Pros: stronger VRM, 10 plus 3 phase, than budget B550 boards. Wi-Fi 6 included, great for wireless gaming. Easy hardware installation with EasyLatch system. Good balance of features and price. PCIe 4.0 plus dual M.2 support. Cons: still DDR4 only, no DDR5 upgrade path. BIOS experience not as refined as ASUS ROG series. Not ideal for extreme overclocking. Perfect for mid-range Ryzen gaming PCs. Users wanting Wi-Fi 6 built-in without extra adapters. Builders upgrading from older B450/B350 boards. Gamers who want stable performance without high-end pricing. At around $99.99, this board sits in a strong sweet spot, offering Wi-Fi 6, PCIe 4.0, and solid VRM design without jumping into premium pricing. Great value for a modern AM4 gaming build. Number 2. Meet the GIGABYTE B550 Gaming XV2 AMD AM4 ATX motherboard, a reliable and affordable ATX motherboard built for Ryzen gaming performance. This board focuses on stable gaming performance and essential modern features. AMD B550 chipset with PCIe 4.0 support for faster GPU and NVMe SSD speeds. Supports Ryzen 3000/4000/5000 series processors. Strong 10 plus 3 power phase design for stable CPU performance. Dual M.2 slots for high-speed storage expansion. Gigabit LAN, GBE, for stable wired internet gaming. Front USB-C header support for modern case connectivity. QFlash Plus for BIOS updates without CPU or RAM installed. RGB fusion support for lighting customization. Full ATX layout for better expandability. Pros: strong value for a full ATX B550 board. Good VRM, 10 plus 3, for Ryzen 5/Ryzen 7 builds. PCIe 4.0 plus dual M.2 support. Easy BIOS update with QFlash Plus. Clean, gamer-focused design. Cons: no built-in Wi-Fi. Basic onboard audio compared to premium boards. Limited premium features, no USB-C rear port. Perfect for budget to mid-range gaming PCs. Ryzen 5 and Ryzen 7 builds. Users who prefer wired Ethernet gaming stability. Builders who want ATX size without high cost. Not ideal for users needing built-in Wi-Fi or premium creator features. At around $89.99, this is a strong value ATX motherboard offering PCIe 4.0, solid VRM, and dual M.2 slots at a very budget-friendly price for Ryzen gaming builds. Number 1. Meet the ASUS TUF Gaming B550 plus Wi-Fi 2 AMD AM4 ATX gaming motherboard, a durable, feature-rich AM4 motherboard built for stable Ryzen gaming performance. This board is designed for reliability and modern gaming needs. AMD B550 chipset with PCIe 4.0 support for fast GPUs and NVMe SSDs. Supports Ryzen 3000/4000/5000 series CPUs. Built-in Wi-Fi 6 plus 2.5 gigabits LAN for ultra-fast, stable networking. Strong TUF-grade power design for long-term durability. Dual M.2 slots with heatsinks for high-speed storage. BIOS flashback for easy BIOS updates without CPU or RAM. USB 3.2 Gen 2 for fast data transfer. AuraSync RGB plus addressable Gen 2 headers for lighting control. Military-grade components for improved reliability. Pros: very strong build quality, TUF durability focus. Excellent networking, Wi-Fi 6 plus 2.5 gigabits LAN. Stable VRM for gaming and light overclocking. Great BIOS and easy updates. Good long-term reliability. Cons: slightly higher price than basic B550 boards.
Not ideal for extreme overclocking setups.
DDR4 platform, no DDR5 upgrade path. Perfect for gamers building a reliable mid-range Ryzen PC. Users who want Wi-Fi plus high-speed LAN together. Long-term stable builds, work plus gaming. Ryzen 5/Ryzen 7 users. At $119.99, this board sits in the sweet spot between budget and premium, offering strong durability, modern connectivity, and stable performance for serious AM4 builds. Call to action, midnight to 0:15.
If you're building a Ryzen gaming PC, this is one of the most balanced options you can get.
Check the link in the description for the best price.
Like the video if it helped.
Subscribe for more PC hardware breakdowns and reviews.